Hello guys, this is my project and this is my Arduino project, and I created the Sun Auto Park system here, and I created the two camera here and here also, and we have a system and the car come inside in here, and if the auto park is full, the door can't open, and that's why the car can see the screen here to how many car inside. But if there is have an enabled park station, the door is opened automatically, and the car can able to be parking. And also we have the system like that is the very safety, and if we have a problem and we can do something, if you have a question about that project, we can change something.
What can you do if there are some problem?
For kind of the fire or something.
Yeah.
We have an alarm here. It's the gas sensor. If there is a fire or something in here, the alarm is also active, and then is the working automatically, and the users can see that problem, and also there is called the police immediately. That's why it's very safe for the people. The people can use the very safe, and that's why we are creating all of things. We think about the project, and we think about also the problems, and it's basically like that.
Okay.